Today we are doing some hair repair. I just gave her a deep cleansing shampoo and a protein mask hydration treatment. She's been transitioning to becoming fully natural, so we have to get rid of these relaxed ends here. To avoid further breakage, we're just going to cut off all the excess relaxed hair and do a custom bob cut. So right here we can see the damaged ends, all the breakage that she has now, along with the braids. She's been getting cornrows and braids and weaves in between, in which other stylists have been telling her that they were protective styles, which they were not actually protecting the hair but causing it to break off even quicker. So I'm going to take care of all that, and we're going to start fresh, and it's going to be nice and lovely and healthy and pretty and cute. And I just want her to embrace her natural hair and realize how beautiful her hair is. And yeah, I cannot wait to see the progress a year from now. Look at that. Take care, love your hair.